Welcome. In this video I will show you how to start a OneDrive backup on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. First of all, open the Start menu on your laptop and go to Settings. Then open the Home section and navigate down to Cloud Storage. Select Sign into OneDrive right here. Then provide your email address into this field if it's not provided automatically and click Sign In. Otherwise, you can create an account by clicking right here. Okay, let's reopen settings. Oh no, okay, so right now we're gonna have to select the destination for your OneDrive folder by clicking change location if you want to, or you can just go with the default one. Just click next. Okay, so it seems that there is already an OneDrive folder, but let's still use this folder by clicking the respective option, or you can choose a different one. Then you're gonna have your PC will scan the folders, and you can enable backup for selected folders. You can select more folders by switching the toggle to the right next to them, and then select Start a Backup. If you want more storage, you can click Upgrade and purchase more storage, but I'm gonna click Not now since I don't need that much. Let's click Next, Next. You can also get the mobile app if you want to access your files easily, but I'm gonna select Later. Now let's open the OneDrive folder. And so it seems that that the backup has already started, but let's check if we didn't miss anything. Let's go back to settings, and as you can see, the PC is fully backed up. You can also go to Accounts, navigate down to Windows Backup. Okay, and as you can see, the apps list and preferences are not backed up. So let's sync our Microsoft account with Windows by clicking Manage right here. Click Yes, Sync, done. Let's go back to Accounts and then back into Windows Backup. Okay, and right now everything is synced and backed up on our computer. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.